Toyota Techstream setup with Topdon Rlink J2534. Full working guide you shouldn't miss. Hey there, fellow auto wizards and diagnostic enthusiasts. You're watching Baabji Motors, your trusted pit stop for everything you need to know about the digital heartbeat of your car. Now, let's get straight to the point. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful combo that every modern vehicle technician should know. Setting up your Topdon Rlink J2534 device with Toyota Techstream software. This is the real deal, and if you've ever felt lost trying to get these two to talk to each other, today's video is going to feel like you just hit a jackpot. But before we roll into the nitty-gritty, I've got a challenge for you. Let's see if this community of car lovers can hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. We've done it before, and I know we can do it again. Show some love. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Baabji Motors if you haven't already. Your support is what fuels this engine. Now, here's a brain teaser for all you seasoned pros out there. When using a Topdon Rlink J2534 with Toyota Techstream, which specific menu option must you use to set the VM interface? If you know the answer, pause for a second and type it down in the comments. Let's see who really knows their stuff. Disclaimer. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. All visuals, references, and instructions shown here are for the benefit of technicians, hobbyists, and learners who want to expand their understanding of automotive diagnostics. Baabji Motors does not promote unauthorized use of software or tools. Always follow your regional laws and manufacturer guidelines. All trademarks and product names belong to their respective owners. We operate strictly under fair use, and no material is used for commercial exploitation. All right, let's shift gears and walk you through the full process step by step. If you follow along, you'll be running diagnostics on Toyota vehicles in no time, with accuracy, reliability, and confidence. We're using Topdon Rlink J2534, but this guide is equally effective for Rlink Lite and Rlink X7. As long as your device includes a Toyota license. So buckle up and let's begin. Step 1. Downloading the Rlink platform driver. The very first thing you need to do is head over to the official Topdon website and download the Rlink platform driver. This driver acts as the bridge between your Topdon hardware and the Toyota Techstream software. Don't skip this part. It's absolutely essential. Step 2. Connect the Rlink device. Next, physically connect your Topdon Rlink device to your laptop and also plug it into the OBD port of your vehicle. Make sure both connections are secure. Step 3. Run the Rlink platform driver. Once the device is connected, launch the Rlink platform driver. A good connection will show confirmation that both the vehicle and the device are recognized and connected. If this doesn't show up, double-check your cable and USB ports. Step 4. Manage drivers inside the platform. Click on Driver Management, and then navigate to Driver Info. Here's a critical checkpoint. See if the Mitsubishi driver is already downloaded. If not, no worries. You can manually click on the corresponding driver to begin downloading it. Once done, read the driver description carefully to ensure compatibility and purpose. Understanding this can save you from hours of frustration later on. Step 5. Interface setup in OEM software. Now, here comes a key point that many miss. When you use Rlink devices, you must select Rlink as the diagnostic interface inside your OEM software, Toyota Techstream, in this case. However, if you're using the OEM's own VCI or even a third-party VCI, you just go into the OEM software and select that respective interface directly. This small decision can make or break your connection, so choose the right one according to your hardware. Step 6. Close the Rlink platform driver. Once everything is confirmed and the correct driver is selected, close the Rlink platform driver. Yes, you heard that right. Shut it down before you launch Techstream. Why? Because both programs can conflict if left open together. Step 7. Launch Toyota Techstream. Double-click the Techstream icon on your desktop. Once open, go to the Setup menu, then click on VM Select. Now here's where our earlier question ties in. Yes, this is the place you must go to choose the Rlink driver mode from the drop-down list. After selecting it, hit OK to confirm. Step 8. Start Vehicle Diagnostics. Click on Connect to Vehicle, and boom, you're in. You can now run diagnostics, scan codes, perform resets, and more, all through your Topdon Rlink interface, seamlessly integrated with Toyota's Techstream environment. You're doing great so far. If this guide is helping you in any way, even a little, show your support by smashing that like button and leaving a comment below. What's your experience with Toyota Diagnostics? Are you using a different interface? Let's learn from each other. And hey, don't forget, if this video saved your time or helps your garage, consider dropping a super thanks. It helps Baabji Motors keep creating helpful content just like this. So now you know exactly how to set up the Topdon Rlink J2534 or Lite or X7 with Toyota Techstream software, from driver download to interface configuration and finally scanning your Toyota vehicle with ease. This setup empowers technicians and DIYers alike to perform professional-grade diagnostics without shelling out thousands. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the answer to the question we asked in the beginning. Which menu do you use to set the VM interface in Techstream? If you answered Setup VM Select, give yourself a high five. You nailed it. Here's my personal view. The Topdon Rlink series is becoming a go-to for many technicians, not just because of affordability, but because of how seamlessly it integrates with OEM-level tools like Techstream. The interface is fast, reliable, and the driver management makes it simple for multi-brand workshops. It's not perfect, but it sure punches above its weight class. But what about you? Do you think tools like the Rlink can replace OEM VCIs in a workshop? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear your take. And before you head out, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Toyota Techstream is one of the very few OEM diagnostic platforms that offers hybrid battery diagnostics on supported models? That's right. You can even monitor individual cell voltages in real time. All right, that's a wrap for today. If you found this guide helpful, now's your chance to give back. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. Share this with a friend or colleague who works on Toyotas. And if you haven't subscribed to Baabji Motors, now is the time. It's free, but it keeps this channel alive and thriving. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. Stay curious, stay hands-on, and, as always, happy diagnosing.